My name is Liz. I'm an HP certified technician, and this is how I would troubleshoot this issue. I would hit power and immediately hold down escape. We're going to test your memory and storage, or your hard drive and RAM, to see what's wrong with your computer. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to, from this boot menu I've now entered, I'm going to hit F2. I'm going to use my arrow keys, select storage test, and hit enter, and then enter. And then it will immediately test my hard drive. If my hard drive passes, excellent. If it fails, it will need to be replaced. Next, I proceed to the memory test. And if this passes, once again, no problem. If it fails, the memory will need to be replaced. I have a video down below on how to replace your hard drive. Now, if both these have passed, then you're going to need to arrow down the exit key and we'll proceed to how to fix your software. So back at the boot menu, I select F11, System Recovery. F11 on your keyboard, and it will bring you to this fancy screen. From here, you can use either your mouse or your arrow keys to select Troubleshoot. Then on the next page, reset this PC. Now you have two options. Keep My Files does not work as well, but you will keep all your files, but remove everything is the absolute best way to fix an issue like this. You can try Keep My Files first, but I'm going to go with remove everything. Although I will lose all my data. Local reinstall is the next thing I'm going to do. You can do download from the cloud, but it's a little bit trickier, and it depends on whether or not you have a WLAN set up with your computer. So we're going to do the simpler method, reset locally, and then once again, remove my files, or just remove my files, or fully clean the drive. It's going to delete everything. You can once again try the soft reset option and keep your files on the first one, but as I said, it doesn't work as well. So you can fully reset. I'm going to hit the reset button, but that's how you go ahead and reset your computer. If for any reason this doesn't work, the next step in the troubleshooting method would be to reinstall the operating system, because it could be that your system's too corrupt. You can use that with a USB. We have a video on that down below, how to reinstall Windows. So if the reset errors out, doesn't complete, the next step would try to do a complete fresh install of Windows. We show you how in the video down below. Anyway, if this video was in any way helpful, please like and share.